Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I am Raju, and in this video, I am going to share my RRB Clerk Prelims Scorecard 2021. And I got 75 plus marks in Prelims exam. And these were my marks. And I am applied from Telangana state. And I attempted total 80 questions. But there are 3 mistakes. And I got 76.75 marks. But I failed in mains exam with 6 marks difference. And also I can clear prelims exam but failed in mains exam. And this year I am preparing according to my weak areas because old ways want to open new doors. So I changed my timetable, and also I started my preparation for 2022 exams. And I will also share my strategy to clear any prelims exam in upcoming videos. And also I am providing my daily to-do list videos for the upcoming exams. So join with me and make your timetable, and those daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. So start your preparation from today onwards and make your timetable. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And all the best for your 2022 preparation. And thank you.